if you want to take high resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then of course after opening the camera, what you can do is in the photo mode we can switch from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. This provides the highest resolution possible. In addition to that, we can go to these four dots in order to be able to also switch to between 12 and 50 megapixels. But also you should take a look at the aspect ratio, because if you want to have the highest resolution possible, then 3:4 or 3:4 aspect ratio is actually the recommended one, as it provides the highest resolution out of all of the different options. And that's pretty much it. Of course, we can still try to use, let's say, the Pro mode. However, in Pro mode, we do not have access to the 50 megapixels camera. So actually, the photo mode with the 50 megapixel camera is the way to go if you care about the highest resolution possible. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!